Hello friends, I am Seraram Simar and I welcome you back on my YouTube channel English with Esa Simar. Today I have come before you with some useful tips to be able to speak English fluently. Friends, we all know that English is an international language and our native language is Hindi. We listen, speak, write and read mostly in Hindi, so we don't use English much in our daily life. So how can we become fluent in English? What are the tips which are helpful to be able to speak English fluently? First one is think in English. Sometimes the most difficult thing talking in a new language isn't a language itself, but how you think about it. If you think some language is difficult, it's difficult for you. And if you think that language is easy for you, it's easy for you. But what about the thinking? Just I'm going to explain you. If you want to tell your ideas, if you want to reply someone or something, you think in your own language, you think in Hindi, then you try to translate into English in your head. Because if someone asks you something, he wants to ask you something and you want to reply them, so what will you do? Probably generally you think in you think in your native language, you translate the sentence into English and you reply. So reply in English after translation takes some time. And when you try to speak in English, when you try to speak English, you get stumbled, you get stuck, because sometimes you can't find appropriate word to express the ideas. So try to think in English only. So it will help you to become more fluent. And there are a lot of ways to express ideas, not a particular certain ways, not particular idea, not a single sentence. If you want to speak, if you want to express your idea, your thoughts, your imagination, there is not a single sentence uh, which can deliver your message to the listeners. So try to think in mm, English directly. The second one is talk to yourself. When you will get the time, when you are all alone, when no one is with you, when you are all alone, talk to yourself in English. Because when no one is there to judge you, no one is there to seek out faults in you, it is a great opportunity to be able to speak English fluently. Because speaking aloud makes you confident. Because when you speak all alone, you notice your lips, you notice your face, you notice your gestures, and they develop confidence in you. You get more confident when you speak English to yourself. Because you you can notice your shortcoming, you can notice your faults, you can notice your errors to yourself. Because you know that no one is good for you as much as you can be for yourself. So whenever you are all alone, whenever you get the time, try to speak English. And if you want to express your ideas, your thoughts, your imagination, try to express in English. You know, you can choose some topics, political issues, religious issues, or social and current issues. You can express your ideas in English to yourself. There is no need to anybody to talk with. So talk to yourself. And the third point is mirror technique. In my previous video I told you about the mirror technique. Take a few minutes out of your day to stand in front of a mirror to speak in English. Friends, it will help you a lot to become fluent. Because in front of the mirror, you notice yourself, just pick up a paragraph of some book, read aloud. Take a newspaper, take an article from a newspaper, read it aloud, and notice yourself, the expression of your words, the pronunciation of your words, and the accent which you use. So it will help you to become confident in English. It will help you to become a public speaker. So gradually you will be able to speak English confidently. The next point is the next idea is to be able to speak English fluently is use of tongue twister. Tongue twister are the series of some words which are very difficult to say quickly, because they are the series of same pronunciation, like the 33 thieves 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout the Thursday. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout the Thursday. Such type of sentence are very difficult to say quickly. So try to speak them time and again. So it is really useful tips. And the next one is listen and copy. You will have to be able to speak English like a native English speaker. You will have to follow them. You can follow them on social media. You can follow them on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. They give you some tips. They will tell you when should we use abbreviation, when should we use slang words, and which are very useful. So try to listen something and copy as it is. You can listen some English news, English songs. When you listen English songs, listen to it attentively and trying to copy the lyric, trying to imitate or repeat the lyrics. When you watch some Bollywood movies or Hollywood movies, and try to repeat the dialogues, which will very help you to become more fluent. So next point is learn phrases, not words. Friends, words have different uses. So try to learn some phrases instead of learning words, because when you learn words, you forget them. Often you forget them. But when you learn phrases with the word, probably it will take much time. It's one of the most important point is relax. Relaxation is also an important point to be able to speak English, because when we speak something, we don't get appropriate or suitable words to express our ideas, our thought. We get stuck because we don't find any suitable word. So what should we do? We should not stop. We should not stop there. We should choose some more words. Or if you don't find any words, just take a deep breath and get relaxed and move on. Try to some more words. Try to another way to express ideas in other ways. Don't stop there. Try another way. It is also an important topic, important point, which is really useful to be able to speak English fluently. So friends, in brief,